Hey guys, the other day I saw Jennifer Garner make leftover cranberry sauce muffins, and I said, I have leftover cranberry sauce and I have all the stuff to make muffins. Let's make it. So I have all this cranberry sauce left. I buy the kind that's got the whole berries in it. So I have all of this left. So we're going to make some muffins, and I'm going to show you how we do it. Well, I'm going to show you how Jennifer Garner told us to do it. First, we're going to cream together a 1/3 cup of butter and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Now I'm going to add in 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of milk. I'm out of regular milk, that you keep in the refrigerator, but I always have cans of evaporated milk on hand for baking, for when you might be out of milk. Ooh. So 1/2 cup of milk. So now you're going to mix this together. 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Teaspoon of cinnamon, but I always measure cinnamon with my heart because I love cinnamon. So a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to do this slowly. You don't want to over mix it. So I'm just going just till it's combined. So I did forget to add in my 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now we're going to put in our cranberry sauce, and it calls for 1 1/4 cup of cranberry sauce. That used up almost all my leftover cranberry sauce. So now I'm going to fold this in. All right, this is not anything the recipe calls for, but what goes better with cranberries than oranges? So I'm going to zest in a little bit of orange zest, and I might even do a little squeeze of orange juice in it, just to kind of give it that little pop of orange flavor, because I love the combination of orange and cranberry. And now I'm going to spray my muffin pan with a little bit of cooking spray. I know this seems really cramped right here, but this is literally the only workspace I have in my kitchen. Is this right here. This is all I have. So I know it looks a hot mess, y'all, but I can't help it. I just don't have any room in here. I'm just gonna go and evenly divide this between all the little tins here, or little cups. Now I'm gonna work on my streusel topping. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and again, I measure cinnamon with my heart. So now we're going to grate in 3 tablespoons of butter. I marked my butter at 3 tablespoons before I peeled it back, so now I'm just going to grate it in. Now I'm just going to mix this up with my hands and break all that up. My butter probably should have been colder. I forgot the oats. 3 tablespoons of oats. Whew, it's one of those days today. Now I'm going to evenly distribute all of this on top of my muffins. All right, so now I'm gonna bake these at 400 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. And I'll check back when they're done. Okay guys, my muffins are out of the oven. They look a little darker on camera than they are in person. So I probably should let them sit a little longer, but I'm not. I'm ready to try one. So here it is cut open. It looks pretty good to me. Got little pieces of oat in it. Ooh, they're steaming. I'm gonna see if I can try one. That's good. They turned out good, y'all. And that little bit of orange that I added, it just gives it that nice little citrus hint to it, and it is so good. I like them. So, hope you try them. Let me know if you do. Thank you. Bye.